Oh, hi guys. Welcome to Tech World. Once again, it's a MeshChain and it's something I want to show you in MeshChain that will shock you. So that is why you need to listen to this explanation very well. You need to listen to a tutorial very well because I just want to make it fast and shock you. So there's something. So this is their platform. I'll be leaving a link in the description box for you to join and look at the way the interface looks like and the rest. So if you come to this angle bar, you see that you have the node, the reward, the referral, the wallet, and the profile. Then coming down, you see that you follow them on the S, follow them on Telegrams and Discourse and contact them. That is that. So when we go over to the node now, you can see you join, you download your node. We have Telegram's node extensions, and then we have your desktop extension. If you are using a phone, you can be able to download Kiwi browsers and Misses so that you'll be able to download the extension. You work with the extension. So then when you come over to this overview, you see the MCC, which is token MCC total reward, then the MC, which machine point here. Then you see MCC trading now live. MCC trading is now live. You can see that things are what going well now. MCC trading is now live, pure and easy. Then if you want to download their browser extension, you download it through here. Their desktop app uh, node, download it through here. Then they have a hardware node. They have a hardware node which you'll be able to pay it for. You pay for it. Then if you want to download their Telegrams and node, going to mine with their Telegram. I think the mining is almost 2 hours. Claim 2 hours, you claim 2 hours, you claim. That's you do it, becoming a resource provider. Then if you come over to their reward, you see they have a social task. A social task, maybe finish a task. This finish task. You have to verify your email, join their Telegram's mini app, connect your S, then connect your Telegram channels and the rest. So these they are tasks that will be able to earn you point MC point, which is mesh in point. Then invite friends. This will be able to earn you point. Then become their Telegram's channel, as in boost their Telegram's channel. They rate them on their extension, be able to earn 150 points. Then join their discourse and add this thing to your name, your profile there, your profile there name. So this is one of the, and then when you come over, you see that 888 point. You can see this thing is on the yellow side. Then this one is on the MCC side. MCC side. So you come over, you able to connect your wallet and their BNB, which is a Binance token, Binance token. So you can see now this 0.005303 TV, almost to $3.1. This $3 and some 18 cents. You understand? You can see the point that is going. Okay, come over to profile name and everything. You make sure you connect your telegrams, connect your S, connect your discourse and the Web3 wallet. You connect it. Then let me show you something that will shock you. Then when you come over to this trading now, you look at the trading now. See, this is something that I want to shake your mind. Let's say, for example, you have MCC over to you have, let's say, 3,000, no, 2,000 MCC. 2,000 MCC is 610 USDT. 610 USDT. You have to swap it. Remember, they said this is a Binance Smart Chain. 610 USDT. Let's say, for example, you have all close 10,000 MCC. Man, you have 3,000 USDT. Not great. It's shaking your mind now. You understand? What you have to do is just to connect your wallet. And wallet they have set in this place is MetaMask, Binance Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, and wallet con. Okay. Because this is DMB, so you have to connect your Binance wallet to your Binance wallet. That's how it is. That's how it is. So on their S account, you have to follow them on their S account. And on the 12th of March, they posted this 12th of March. So let's look down if on the second. And this program, this mention program, is something that they want to generalize. They want to make it to know to all over the world. That is why they are going from place to place. They are on corner. They are going to on corner. Then I believe swapping is almost here. Instant, fast, and secure. You understand? That is what I just showed you. Then on February 26th, they posted a MeshNode made a spectacular bought at Sensors Hong Kong 2025. This you are seeing now is their hardware, about their node hardware. So, but I don't think we are doing airdrop, so we'll not be able to purchase this. But if you have enough, you can do where and order. Do where and order. Just like when people are mining Bitcoin, the way they want to do it. When you want to mine the Bitcoin, on other ways, you purchase this and start mining. It's a very simple hardware. Just on, connect to your system, and that is all. So let's say, like example, I shared to you now that you have if you have 5,000 in this place MCC, you have 5,000 because that hardware is mining on MCC. Almost if 50,000 MCC is going to give you 15,000 USDT. I know many of you that you say it's great, or some will say it's not great. So it's all about MeshChain is another wonderful program I'm showing you right now. Please do well to join with my referral link so that you'll be able to aim 1 point. A bonus for using my referral link is here that you earn points. So thank you very much. See you in my next video.